done, we got it made. Got a live well full, little sunshine, a little shade. I ain't ready to go today, but when my time comes and if I had it my way, I'd be sitting on a lake like glass, catching largemouth bass, just my boy and me. Or maybe on a 50-yard line, watching Alabama whoop up on Tennessee. Or maybe on a front porch swing, something cold to drink and mama's hand to hold, and a song on the radio would be a hell of a